Hello everyone, we are Group 1. Today we are going to present Malaysia's TVET system and Industry 4.0, progress, challenges, and future directions. Here is our group members, Peng Xinpeng, Liu Fengyi, Liu Zihan, Song Xuhao, and Zhang Hongshuo. Now let's begin.
Hello everyone, our group is going to explore a very timely question. Can Malaysia's TVET system meet the demands of Industry 4.0? I will begin with a background introduction. First, what exactly is Industry 4.0? It refers to the fourth industrial revolution, where digital technology are deeply integrated into manufacturing and services. This includes artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, robotics, big data, and automation. Together, the technology are creating smart factories and changing the way we work. So, why is this important? Industry 4.0 is not just about the new tools. It significantly improves production efficiency, drives sustainable economic growth, and most importantly, create high-skilled job opportunities. However, to unlock these benefits, a country needs to work equipped with advanced technical and digital skills. This brings us to the central question of our presentation. Industry 4.0 demands a large number of high-skilled technicians and technology specialists. Therefore, it is essential to examine whether Malaysia's technical and vocational education and training system is capable of producing the talent that modern industry really need. In the next part, my teammate will walk you through the current structure of Malaysia's TVET system.
Okay, TVET means Technical and Vocational Education and Training. It focuses on practical skill and prepares students for real job. In Malaysia, the main TVET instruction include Polytechnic Malaysia, Community College, Giant Mara, and Industrial Training Instruction, also known as ILP. This instruction training skill and semi-skilled worker in areas such as in engineering, manufacturing, automation, and technical service. The Malaysian government also supports TVET through policies such as Industrial for WRD, National TVET Policy 3030, and Madini Economy Framework. This shows that Malaysia is trying to build stronger workforce for future industrial. So Malaysia already have basic TVET structure with instruction, government support, and clear objective. Technology transfer is also important. Technology transfer means sharing advanced technology, knowledge, and skill from other companies, research instruction, or foreign investor to local student or worker. For example, Intel Malaysia, Siemens Malaysia, and Huawei Malaysia brings advanced technology and industrial experience into the country. Through training, internship, and cooperate with education instruction, students can learn skills that are closer to real work need. This will help TVET students understand areas such as automation, smart manufacturing, robotic, and digital system. In short, Malaysia's TVET system has good foundation, and technology transfer make it more practical. However, whether it's fully ready for Industrial 4.0, we still need further discussion.
Why Malaysia is able to meet some of the workforce requirements of Industry 4.0. First, Malaysia has strong government support. The government has introduced policies such as Industrial 4WRD and the National TVET Policy 2030 to promote digital transformation and develop a highly skilled workforce. These initiatives provide funding and guidance for TVET institutions to improve their training programs. Second, TVET programs are continuously being upgraded. Many institutions now offer courses in robotics, automation, mechatronics, and data analytics. These skills are highly relevant to Industry 4.0 and help students adapt to modern industrial environments. Third, collaboration between educational institutions and industries is becoming stronger. Companies provide internship, technical training, and real industry projects. This allows students to gain practical experience and better understand workplace requirements. In conclusion, government support, updated training programs, and industry collaboration have helped Malaysia build a solid foundation for Industry 4.0 talent development. Although some challenges still exist, Malaysia is moving in the right direction.
Okay, let's move to the next section. Why Malaysia is not fully ready for Industry 4.0. Although Malaysia has made significant progress through initiatives such as Intel Malaysia, the Penang Semiconductor Hub, and Huawei ICT Academy, the country is still not fully ready for Industry 4.0 due to several key challenges. The first challenge is the skills mismatch. While TVET institutions provide technical training, some graduates still lack practical Industry 4.0 skills such as AI, data analytics, and automation. As a result, employers often need to provide additional training, indicating a gap between education and industry needs. The second challenge is the shortage of high skilled talent. Demand for AI engineers, data scientists, cyber security experts, and semiconductor specialists continues to grow, but the supply remains limited. This talent gap slows Malaysia's digital transformation. So another important issue is the urban-rural digital divide. Students in urban areas generally have better access to technology, facilities, and industry partnerships, while many rural institutions still face resource limitations. This creates unequal opportunities for skill development. Finally, also programs such as Huawei ICT Academy support technology transfer. Their reach remains limited because not all TVET institutions have access to the same training and resources. Therefore, while Malaysia is moving in the right direction, these challenges show that the country is only partially ready for Industry 4.0. More efforts are needed to develop talent, strengthen industry education alignment, and reduce regional disparities.
Now, let me draw a final conclusion. These examples show that Malaysia is making real progress. The government is investing heavily, and public perception of TVET is changing. Based on our discussion, we have three recommendations. First, update curricula faster to keep up with new technologies. Second, improve digital access in rural areas so all students get equal opportunities. Third, let industries play a bigger role in designing training programs, not just offering internships. So, is Malaysia's TVET system ready for Industry 4.0? Our answer is not fully, but it is on the right track. Malaysia has clear policies, growing institutions, and strong international partnerships. Challenges like skills mismatch and the urban-rural gap still exist, but the country is actively working to close them. Industry 4.0 is not just about upgrading machines or learning new software. It is a core. It is about developing people. As Harvard Business Review once stated, digital transformation is about talent, not technology. A country may import the most advanced equipment, but without skilled workers who can operate, maintain, and innovate with that technology, the equipment is meaningless. TVET not just as a training system, but as a foundation of nation's long-term competitiveness. Thank you.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your listening and watching.